this is where to post the CBUSA purchases. So for instance, this particular website can be found in your bookmark. So if you open a new tab, you can find it here, like for instance this one, or if you open this that's the same. So if you're in under the Google account of Marv Miller Homes, you can automatically open this, and with the ready login credentials populating and the login windows. Okay, so once that you open, you go to reports, then you will see here this one. Okay, so try to fill in the amount immediately. For instance, example, so from the third quarter, there is a CBUSA of a report after you prepare. For example, this third quarter of 2023. Okay, so get their total. So you have their total now. Okay, now let's say Big D Lumber. So find a Big D Lumber. Okay, just copy and paste this. The bolt is not among. Baguio Nut is not here also. Okay, try to validate if there are examples. Station, Station roofing. Okay, there's none. Scrap it. Scrap it should be part. There's the scrap it during this time. There's the scrap in the third quarter. Okay. Okay, so try to check each one if this is part of the what you call this one, of this CBUSA reporting. So for instance, example, I have this Big D Lumber. You have to click the save. Okay. Set refresh that one. Again, Big D Lumber. Go to Big D Lumber. Find that. Yeah, there it is. It is already here. Okay, so once that you save all of them, click this one to submit final quarter 3. Okay, so that's it. Again, you save one by one. Once that you fill in the amount, then you save. Then after that, it is finalized. It will be listed here. Then click the submit final quarter 3. Okay, thank you.